Hi guys, welcome to Anurag Lab YouTube channel, and here in this video I will let you know about how can you download Google Chrome offline installer on your computer. So I am opening the Google Chrome here and I will go to google.com and here I will type download Google Chrome offline installer and hit enter. Go to the first website showing support.google.com. Here you need to scroll down the page and you can see install Chrome offline showing here. You will not click on downloading Chrome, you will click on alternate Chrome installer link from here. I am showing you. This is the place where you can download the offline installer of Chrome. So I will hit the download Chrome button from here. Guys, if it does not start the downloading the update, you can just click on download Chrome manually link over there. So I am clicking on download Chrome manually. It will start downloading the Chrome directly. You can see on the bottom of the page. Guys, if you are trying to install Google Chrome and it is taking longer than expected, it may due to slow internet connection. So it is my opinion to download the Google Chrome offline installer if you face slow internet issue with the computer to install Google Chrome. Guys, you can also write me in the comment section if you found this video useful and interesting. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching the video till end. Your friend Anurag Pandey.